Hi everyone, I'm Miss Gordon and I'm going to be teaching your math lesson today. So first we are going to get out all those jitters that I know you have from sitting for so long. So if you'd like, you can go ahead and stand if you're able, and you're going to spread out, make sure you have lots of room, do this to make sure you do. And then we will do this video. Now we're dancing. And we're gonna act like we just did that whole dance, but I'm not gonna waste your time. So next, if you'd like, you can go get a drink of water and then you may go sit down. Right, so now we're gonna play bingo. A few rules with bingo is that we are gonna make sure we respect the classroom materials and respect each other. So we're gonna keep our voices low and we will raise our hands if we have any questions. So first, I will show you how we're gonna do this. So let's say I call out, this shape looks like the moon. So I can look at here and I'm like, which shape do I think looks like the moon? Maybe this one, because when there's a full moon, it looks like a circle. So then I'm gonna cross this one off, or as you would, place your chip on it to show that you got this one. Now say I call out more, and then you get to cross off these ones, and then you have a line of the same amount all in a row, then you would say bingo. So I don't have the exact bingo sheet that I made for you, so we're gonna pretend this is it. So class, we are gonna go through all these shapes and talk about what they are. So this one, can anyone tell me what this is called? And raise your hand if you know the answer. I know, it's a triangle. Wow, great, good job. What are some characteristics of a triangle? They have 3 sides. Wow, good job. Now, can anyone tell me what this is called? They may say, that looks like a diamond, or it looks like a rhombus. And I will say, good job. And we can go into further depth, but we'll do that for all of these to make sure that the students have a good understanding of what each shape is. All right, class, now that we are done with bingo, let's pick up our materials and set them aside. Next, you won't need anything out for this, so I will have you come up to the front of the room. When called on, or you think you might have a good answer, you can just raise your hand and let me know. I ask that we match the shapes to their names. So you'll be able to come up and take a marker, and you will connect from one to another. So say I have a circle right here, and then the word circle. If you know what the word is, you're gonna attach it and draw a line across. So this is what ours looks like, and let's begin. All right, who can do the first one? I can. Awesome. Mike, what are we gonna do first? Circle? Yeah, I can do the circle. All right. So then Mike draws from circle to circle. Good job, Mike. That was awesome. All right, now who can go next? And then we go through all the shapes and they connect them all. Then show the students what the answer is, and hopefully when we're all done connecting, they would have had the right answers anyways. But that can be a good visual just in case to reinforce what we just learned. All right, so next I am gonna hand out a worksheet. Would anyone be able to come up and help me with this? I'd love to. Okay, great. Grinch. So Grinch and I hand out all the papers. And now that we've done this, I'd like each and every one of you to get out your own pencil and eraser so we can start on this worksheet. Now, for example, I will do one with you, and then you can get started with your elbow partner. So say we have, on the side, it will say shapes with curved sides. All right, so I'm thinking a shape with a curved side could be this. Now this doesn't have to be a shape that we've gone over so far, but if it's one that you know, feel free to draw it, write it down. You could also do a heart, you could also do a circle, really whatever comes to you, you can go ahead and do that. If you know the name of it, you can write it under it, but you don't have to do that. If you would like, I have a piece of paper, and you can follow the outlines of the shapes, just like this. Let me know if you'd like one of those, and we can do that. Right, so now that everyone has their worksheet filled out, would anyone be willing to share what they came up with? Yeah, I would love to. Okay, great, Monkey. Oh, I'm sorry, Sako. Let's see. Can you tell me what you wrote down for shapes with 4 sides? Well, I drew a rectangle. I drew a square. Great, those are also some good examples. Now, Grinch, could you tell me, are there any other shapes that he's missing that we could have wrote down? Yeah, we could have drawn a diamond or a rhombus. Wow, great job, that's perfect. Cool, and then we'll go through all of them. All right, so now that we're done with that, I would like you all to put away your materials and listen for what Miss Matthias has to say. You all did a really great job, and I appreciate you letting me teach your lesson.